You've probably seen those traders flipping $100 to $10,000 overnight, right? Here's the truth about trading. I'm here to break down steps that I've taken personally in my trading journey that has helped me build consistent profits over time without, not like there's no losses, there's losses, but the losses are more or are lesser than my wins. So I'm going to break down this in the video. It's not about flipping accounts, it's about consistently making profits over time. It's about mastering yourself, because the market is a mirror, it's a reflection of yourself. Okay, so I'm going to break it down to you guys in this video. If you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Help us hit 100 subscribers before the end of this month. It's a new month, by the way. Happy new month, guys. And let's dive right into the video. In this video, I'm going to break down steps that you can take to make money in the Forex industry in the year 2026. So, first step is learn the basics. So, most of you underrate this step. Most people want to start making fast profit that they see online, start turning $1 to $100, $10,000. But that's a big lie. That's crap. Learn the basics first, and the money will come. This is what I learned very early in my early stage in the industry. I started from the beginning, learning the basics, and it has helped me up until date. So step 2 on how you can make money trading the Forex industry or trading the Forex market in the year 2026 is choose a strategy and master it. Most people, they will be using all indicators, support and resistance, trend line, like they will just pack their chart indicators, moving average, Fibonacci, all these indicators. They will pack their chart indicators, which is rubbish. Personally speaking, keep it simple and you see how to flow for you. Get a workflow, get a strategy that you know that it suits your style of trading, or it suits you personally, because every strategy suits people. You get a mentor, get someone that you know that you can learn from. Even if you don't learn or you don't have money to pay for a mentorship, there are free guides out there on YouTube. Go and pick a mentor. Once you pick a mentor and you learn strategy, master it. Once you master the strategy, bro, you're good. Try your best. Give yourself 3 months or 6 months to be able to master the strategy, because strategy is not actually the main thing, or it's not even hard to learn. But if you have got to this point, I'm going to give you guys few tips after strategy, what is going to help you more than strategy. So if you have got to this point, be able to like, share and subscribe. Also stick to the end of this video. I'm going to be breaking things down for you guys step by step, no rush. And if you have got to this point, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Step 3 on how to make Forex or money in the Forex industry in the year 2026. Practice on a demo. So step 2, I said learn a strategy, right, and master it. So after learning your strategy, what next do you do? Most people, they all jump into funding their account with a real money or with their real money. It's actually not a bad idea. But personally, as someone that is starting off, it's best you start off with a demo account, a paper trading account, which is not real money. It's like simulated account where a broker gives you free money per se, but it's not like money. It's like paper money. It's like virtual money. You cannot withdraw it. You cannot touch it. It's something that you can just to practice your skill over time. So you can practice this like 6 months, 3 months, depending on how fast you are in learning. If you can learn your strategy in 3 months, use 3 months to practice on a demo account to back test, forward test. You get forward testing is the process of like marking out charts with live charts, not previous charts. While back testing is checking what have happened previously and using it to collect data. While forward testing is forward testing with current price action or current live charts, like you're actually trading but you're not placing it on a real account. You get. So personally, I prefer forward testing though, because it actually helps you see what market is doing currently. You get. So anyone that you choose to do, I do both. Anyone you choose to do, you can do it. The step 2 before we go on. Step 2 is what? Master a strategy. Step 3 is what? We are talking about step 3 now. The step 3 is what? Practice it on a demo account. After learning your strategy, what next? You should practice what you have learned. Try your best to practice, refine anything that you refine at that stage. Don't go and be refining when you have funded your account. This is the stage now that you put what you have learned to practice on a demo account. Practice it intensively. Don't joke with this part. Practice it intensively. You get what I'm saying? So that's it for step 2. Step 4 on how to make money in the forex industry in the year 2026. Step 4 is what? Build a risk management discipline. This one is also underrated. Most people they'll just jump into markets with their $100 or $1,000 and they don't want to risk everything. That's poor trading. You should have a risk allocation set aside for an account, any account you are funding or you are planning to buy, a prop account or a live account that you are funding. Do well, do your best, try your best to have a risk management allocated for that account. This helps you in the case that, let's say you have an account of $1,000 and you're planning to risk $100. You know that now you are risking $100, right? So you have to lose 10 trades to be able to lose that account. This is a risk management allocation. So this is what you should build. Build how much you want to risk per trade, how much you want to lose in a day that you say, okay, I'm done for today. It's also part of risk management. And risk management also helps you cut your curve in terms of psychology, which is the next step. I'm going to explain more on that in the next step. Step 5 of being profitable or making money in the forex industry in the year 2026 is what? Master your emotions. Most people underrate this too. Mastering your emotions means knowing when to cut loss shots, knowing when to cut winners early, not cutting winners early too when there's no invalidation met. So this thing now is like your emotions is like there is no such thing as you have psychological issues. Market is just showing you who you are. If you're a greedy person and you come into the market will show you that you're greedy. If you're a kind of person that is always scared, market show you that you're scared. So market is a reflection, is a mirror that reflects you. So market is obviously going to show you who you are. So the only thing you can do is master how you behave when you are trading. That is the best explanation to how to master your emotions. Master how you behave when you're on a trade or when you are trading, basically. If you can master this and be able to control yourself, that's the best way to trade freely. Control yourself. If you can control yourself, have self-control when you're trading, you're good. So that's it for step 5. Let's head on to the next step. Step 6 of how to make money in the forex industry in the year 2026. Step 6 is what? Fund your real account. So this is a stage where most people get excited or get too excited for. Don't get excited, bro. You might fund your account today and you blow it next week. You might fund it and blow it today. So with all the steps I've listed, make sure you have a jotter right now writing all the steps. I'm going to list them out in the comment section. Make sure you have a jotter. Write all the steps down. Take note of each of them, especially if you're a beginner. Even if you're a pro, also write this step down. It's going to help you. So you know that any step you have missed, you should go back and relearn. You get forex industry is about learning and relearning. So in this phase, you fund your account, and you fund your account. You are not actually taking it as you want to make money from the account. You are taking it now to practice what you have learned so far, from your risk management to your emotions to how you practice on your demo account to the strategy you learned, get to the basics you learned too. So you are using this your real account to practice the skill you have learned so far over time. You get. So after practicing it, you get to the next stage. So this is the stage where most people fumble. This is the where most people quit. This stage of funding accounts, they'll fund account, they blow, because you are not following your rules or these steps I'm calling here now. If you were to pen and paper, do well to write, do well to jot these steps I'm calling for you guys now. It's going to help you guys your trading journey. Let's head on to the next. So guys, this is the last and final step. Step 7. Be consistent and patient. Most people, after funding their accounts, they are not patient at all to wait for setups or to wait for the right time to enter a trade. They're just jumping around every chart, every analysis, every pair. Bro, that's bad. Bro, you're doing yourself a very, very bad thing. Try your best to be able to be consistent and be patient to wait for your setups. This is a part where most professionals don't tell you. Calm down and wait for your setups. Don't be in a rush to make money. The market is always here. If you blow your account today and you come tomorrow, open your chart, it's still moving. So because you blow your account does not mean that market will stop. Market will always moving, but continue moving. Even if you make $10,000 today and you open your chart tomorrow, market it will still be open. So the market is always open. So don't be in a rush to make money or to blow your money today. So try your best to follow these steps I've called. Step 1 is learn the basics. Step 2, choose a strategy and master it. Master it, meaning refine it. That's what strategy means. You get. Step 3, practice on a demo account for at least 3 months. This will help you cut your learning curve because now you are practicing on the paper money. There's no emotions attached to it. So now you funding your real money now is you practicing your emotion, your psychology now should be your main focus when you have funded your account. So that's it for step 7. Let's head on to the bonus tips I'm going to give you guys at the end of the video. So if you watch this video up to this point, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also comment what's your best takeout on this video in the comment section below. Guys, we are coming to the end of this video. For the bonus tip, get a side hustle and get funded with a prop firm that can give you leverage. So for getting a side hustle, you can just anything that you love doing that you know that you have, just make sure that you have value to give people. The rich, make sure you have a value or you have a skill or something that you know that you can give in exchange for money. You get. So me personally, most people have been asking, I'm going to make a video for this. I don't want to explain everything here, but get a side hustle. Then for step 2 or the second bonus step, I give you guys now is get a prop firm account. I recommend a prop firm for you guys. I'm going to put the link in the description below. So if you want to get a prop firm, use the link below. So I'm going to recommend a prop firm for you guys. The recommended prop firm, tight spread, fast payouts. If they delay your payout under 24 hours, they will add extra $1,000 to your account. Yes, they will add extra $1,000 to your payout. So that is the prop firm I use. I'm going to put it in the description below. So if you want to get it, go below and click and get an account with them. So these are the 2 bonus steps I'm giving you guys on this video. Peace. That's how you really make money in the Forex industry in the year 2026. So if you're new here, do you to like, share, and subscribe. If you got value from this video, subscribe. There's more coming. Peace out, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Very analyst. Peace. If you're new here, do to subscribe. I don't know what is the guy's problem. What do you do? I know subscribe. I don't know. I do now. Subscribe. Make I chop small block now. Subscribe. Oh yeah, now. That's the end of the video, guys. If you got value from this video, do to subscribe. I've got more coming for you guys. More value, more content. Peace out. Have a blessed weekend.